Just going to do a quick unboxing and a review of the sticker collector protective shells. As you can basically see, there are a lot of them inside this package, as you can basically see right here, guys. So we have a lot of these inside this package, so we have quite a few of them. These are basically collector shells for stickers. So if you have any sticker cards, it can basically work in this pretty great. So you basically use to protect them, so keep it safe from water or any damage or anything like that. So I'm just gonna look a closer look now on one to show you guys basically how it works. As you can basically see, guys, this is how basically it looks. So we have that clear shells, and we can basically open it right here. So this is basically a magnetism. Right here you can open it, and we can basically place our stickers inside and basically close it for some bit of protection. It basically work really great, and if you're a collector and you want to basically have something to protect your stickers, this guys work really great. I love that this our magnetism right here is keep it closed and keep it well protected. So this is it right here, guys. So we have a lot of them that come in this package. Work really great, guys, and I love this how this basically looks. Feel really great. I love the texture of this right here, so you basically will keep it for a very long time for good storage. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you find this video very helpful.